Apple's 10th generation iPad could see a significant redesign. Hey, it's ZONEofTECH here, and today we're going to be talking about Apple's 10th generation iPad. So before that, please subscribe to the channel, and now let's get into the video. The 10th generation iPad may have an all-new design when it launches this fall. In recent years, Apple has updated the baseline iPad annually. It acts as the entry model with a low $329 price that gets even lower for sales and students. Because it is the entry model, it doesn't see many upgrades or design changes each year. In fact, the 9th generation iPad is nearly identical to the previous two generations, besides some minor updates to the processor and cameras. Last-minute leaks suggest Apple could be preparing a significant redesign for the 10th generation model, but it isn't quite what people would expect. The leaked design shows flat sides, a new rear camera module, and a slimmer bezels around the display. However, it retained the home button despite moving to a modern design. The use of flat sides may indicate Apple Pencil 2 compatibility, which means the original Apple Pencil can finally be retired once the 10.2-inch iPad is no longer sold. Magnets on the rear casing will also allow new folio cases and keyboards to attach. The display is shown as slightly larger and may use a 10.5-inch screen. The bezels are the smallest they have been on this model, with barely enough room to accommodate the Touch ID button. In January, Twitter user ZONEofTECH shared that the 10th generation iPad will be a simple processor bump with upgraded wireless technologies. He stated that the redesign would take place in 2023. This leaker has a credible history but has disappeared from Twitter without explanation, and since the leak was made so much earlier, design plans could have easily changed since. Other details provided by ZONEofTECH seem realistic too. He stated that it will use a A14 processor and gain access to 5G networks, Bluetooth 5.0 and Wi-Fi 6 as a result. Because the iPad is now in a budget model, that $329 price point has become an important goalpost for Apple. When combined with a student discount, the iPad is $299, and the company uses that as a key advertising point. If Apple redesigns the iPad with an all-new case and functionality, it won't be easy to maintain that $329 price point. It isn't clear where the price will land, but it likely can't get too close to the iPad Air at $599 without pushing customers away. There aren't any leaks or rumors about the price, but we can estimate a redesigned iPad could land at about $399. It would be more expensive, but not so far out of the budget range that people will ignore it. Apple is expected to announce the 10th generation iPad during an Apple event in the fall. With a predicted delay of iPad OS 16, an October announcement seems likely. And that's all for today, guys. Let me know what you think about this new iPad, and also don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you soon.